All right, so a quick review. We preloaded our gear. We did all the operational checks for the boat itself, so all the systems are working just fine. Last thing I need to do is make a quick safety check of my trailer to make sure everything works. I just turned on the engine and saw that my lights are working well. And it looks like my connections down here are all in working order. I got my safety cables on. It's locked to the tongue. Had a good connection with my lights. I've got my safety chain here on my winch strap, so boat can't go anywhere. I'm going to go to the back of the boat now and just check to make sure my straps are on. So follow me back this way. One of the things I like to do before any trip with a push pole is make sure it's completely secure, especially if I'm riding on an interstate. Mine is secure in the push pole holder, and I keep a little surveyor's tape in my Chevy, and I like to tie that to the end of the push pole. You can use almost anything. Some guys use a rag or some type of flag. I just use surveyor's tape. It's fluorescent and it holds up well. And then I've got my transom saver here, and it's all secure and on. I've got my drain plug, which in this case, since it may rain in the morning, I'm going to leave open, so I'll have to do that check lastly. And it looks like my safety straps are all taut and hooked up well. So it appears I'm ready to go fishing. So again, I've taken all these worries out of the equation, preloaded everything, checked all the operational stuff, trailer's in good working order. All I've got to do tomorrow morning is fire up the Chevy, go right out the farm gate there and off to the ramp. This way, I'm not going to forget a thing.